In this video I'm going to show you how to download threads. So first, what you want to do is you want to open up Safari or Chrome or any browser on your mobile phone. You don't want to do this through App Store or Google Play Store, because I haven't seen the official app when you actually search for threads. So this is the best way to do it so that you don't download any weird viruses or programs. So open it up, and what you want to do is type in threads.net. Now once you are here, you want to either choose Apple or Android. I'm going to choose Apple in this case. Then you wait for it to load up, because it will automatically open up the app. Then install it. Once it's installed, you open it up, and then you log in and do all the necessary steps. And that's basically it. If you are in a country that Threads isn't supported, unfortunately you won't be able to download it. But when you will click the button for Apple or Android, you will get a message that says something like, error, sorry, Threads isn't available in your country. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.